Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see some interesting GK questions along with the answers. Please subscribe our channel and support our channel. Let's see today's first question. Which country is the chair of the Indian Ocean Rim Association for 2 years, 2023 to 2025? And the options are Sri Lanka, India, Australia, Indonesia. I repeat the question. Today's first question. Which country is the chair of the Indian Ocean Rim Association for 2 years, 2023 to 25? And the correct answer for the question is Sri Lanka. Let's move on to the second question. The International Monetary Fund raised India's growth forecast in the financial year 2023 to 2024 to which percentage? And the options are option A 5.8 percentage, option B 6.5 percentage, option C 6.3 percentage, option D 6 percentage. I repeat the question. The International Monetary Fund raised India's growth forecast in the financial year 2023 to 24 to 6.3 percentage. Let's move on to the third question. Krish, Trish, and Balti Boy animated series, which was recently launched, is associated with. And the options are option A, Internet security, option B, financial literacy, option C, sports, and last option D, freedom fighters. I repeat the question. Today's third question. Krish, Trish, and Balti Boy animated series, which was seen recently launched, is located with, and the correct answer is freedom fighters. Let's move on to the fourth question. The Global Health Innovation Fellowship, which was recently launched in India, is supported by, and the options are option A, World Bank, option B, WHO, option C, WIPO, option D, UNICEF. I repeat the question. Today's fourth question. The Global Health Innovation Fellowship, which was recently launched in India, is supported by, and the correct answer for the question is WIPRO. Let's move on to the fifth question. Today's fifth question. Shiva Shankari, who received the Saraswati Samman 2022, is a famous author in which of the following language? And the options are option A, Tamil, option B, Malayalam, option C, Kannada, option D, Telugu. I repeat the question. Today's fifth question. Shiva Shankari, who received the Saraswati Samman 2022, is a famous author of which language? And the correct answer for the question is Tamil. Let's move on to the sixth question. What is India's retail inflation recorded in the month of September? And the options are option A 4.02 percentage, option B 7.02 percentage, option C 6.02 percentage, and option D 5.02 percentage. I repeat the question. Today's sixth question. What is India's retail inflation recorded in the month of September? And the correct answer for the question is 5.02 percentage. Let's move on to the seventh question. Poverty reduction and growth trust is associated with which institution? And the options are option A, IMF, option B, WEF, option C, UNICEF, option D, World Bank. I repeat the question. Today's seventh question. Poverty reduction and growth trust is associated with which of the following institution? And the correct answer for the question is IMF. Let's move on to the eighth question. Today's last question. The UK government has collaborated with which Indian state for its small smart district project? And the options are option A, Odisha, option B, Kerala, option C, Tamil Nadu, option D, Gujarat. I repeat the question. Today's eighth question. The UK government has collaborated with which Indian state for its smart district project? And the correct answer for the question is Tamil Nadu. I hope you have liked the questions. Please subscribe our channel to watch regular videos. Thanks for watching.